Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. So in this video, we are going to do another student loan update. And aside from me doing an extra payment for my student loan, I'm also going to lay out another strategy that I'm thinking of doing for this same loan. Okay, and then I'll probably be doing this one in the next coming weeks, just so that I can see how it actually plays out. But before we move forward to that one, if you're new to the channel, my name is Dred and I post personal finance and dividend investing videos, and I am currently documenting my journey in paying off my student loans. So if you are interested in seeing how everything unfolds, then definitely subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and also like the video, because I will keep on doing this until I actually finish paying it off. Now, it only takes a quick minute of your time to actually do that. And if you do so, thank you so much in advance. Now, with that out of the way, let's get back to the video. Alright, so here we are on the Sallie Mae dashboard. As you can see, there are no more payment due for my student loans right now. It's because it has already been paid, and right now, as of this recording, it's been like 2 days, I believe, since that one was paid. Okay, but anyway, if you look here in loan 4245, we have $2,100 in for the current balance for this one, and then for 6489, there's like 6,200, and the current balance is hovering around $8,400. Now, if we actually do look here for the loan details, you'll actually see that for the scheduled payment amount, it was only $50, and if we actually compared it to the previous ones that I've had, it was around $54 ish, and that was only a couple of months ago, and now it's been down to $50. And what that actually tells us is that the more that you actually start paying off or adding extra payments to your loans or your debts, your payment due is actually going to decrease faster as well. So I think it was a very good idea for me to start paying this off and adding extra to my loans. But anyway, as you can see there, $50 for this one, and we're gonna do an extra payment for this, right? And let's go here. Oops, no, wrong. Pay extra, and we're going to do the usual amount that we pay every month, which is 400. So since we've already paid $350 already, we're gonna go select 4245 here and add $350, and then done. Now, I've been doing this for a very long time already, so like I kind of know how everything works already. So let's go over here. We select $350 there, and then as we deal with the go back, there you go. They're just saying that you can pay now with credit card. Well, I'm not actually gonna do that. There's no point for me in doing so. And then let's do submit payment. Boom. Okay. It's taking a lot of time to load. But anyway, there you go. Thank you. Your payment was successful. Now, a payment date is 5/12. Now I'm thinking of like it's already 5/13, because here in the Philippines it's 5/13 already. But anyway, it's still 5/12 there in the States. We're pretty much done there. Now, if we actually look into like my loan back, like again, like if we subtract like around 350 on that one, the total amount for this loan would go down to almost like $1,800. So I'm pretty happy, because now we've pretty much hit the $1,000 mark. In just a couple of months, we're pretty much going to finish this loan 4245, and if everything goes really well, it'll be done in like 5 months. So that's like from right now it's like May, it'll be done in like October. So really happy on that one. As for this loan, we're gonna keep continuing doing that, but since this is not the next one on my list, the next one would be on my College Avenue, which is still around $3,300. We're gonna be moving to another platform, and for this one, unfortunately, College Avenue does not have any mobile apps to kind of like do this what I'm doing right now, so I'll be doing it on the desktop or on my browser. But anyway, that should not change anything with the way I'm doing these things right now. And yeah, once College Avenue is actually done, we're gonna go back to Sallie Mae and target this one next, and probably by the time I actually go to College Avenue, I'm going to be adding an extra payments, I guess, just and make sure that I'm going to make sure that those extra payments that I add there is actually within my budget, just making sure I don't want to be doing this too fast, and that I end up not saving enough money for myself or for any other things that I need to use the money for. But anyway, there you go. With that extra payment, our total balance should be around like 8,000 $50 left. That's pretty much it for Sallie Mae, really. So now for my new strategy that I'm planning to actually do in the next coming weeks. I've been looking through different articles online because of this pandemic. I've had the chance to actually just like go through online and just like look for different articles, increase my knowledge when it comes to personal finance as well. And I've been coming across a lot of different things, especially with student loans, because with this pandemic a lot of people are hit, like I've mentioned in my previous video before. It's making a lot of people's lives hard because they're having a harder time making the payments, right? So what I've thought about is, or come across, is that there are people who are actually paying their student loans a lot faster, and also they're saving a lot more because of this strategy. And that strategy is that they're making weekly payments instead of monthly payments. Now, I've come across this type of strategy like a long time ago. It just didn't make sense to me because I feel like it was too much at that point, and I didn't really have much experience when it comes to dealing with student loans. But now that I'm in, like I have some sort of experience, I'm more confident with the numbers. Now I'm kind of like ready to switch it up a notch, something like that. So basically this strategy, it doesn't include like doing bi-weekly payments, but instead doing really doing weekly payments. Basically every week I'm gonna be paying my student loans. But in this case, I'm not actually gonna do it, I'm not gonna do like a very big amount every week, but instead of, I'm still gonna be paying the same amount every month. Now in my case, I'm paying like $400, right? So, and if I do this strategy, I'm basically going to be paying weekly $100 to Sallie Mae. For example, if right now I am paying $400 per month, and in 12 months that's like $4,800. So 12 months, $4,800, right? But if you were paying $100 every week, it's still the same, right? I'm just dividing it by the number of weeks every month, on average 4. If we actually think about it, there are 52 weeks in a year. So if I'm paying $100 every week for 52 weeks, that means that I've paid like $5,200 in an entire year. So basically there was an extra $400 that I paid towards my principal, or towards my loan in general, and I didn't even notice that that would happen. Basically there's a 13th month happening, and it obviously comes from the months that the differing number of weeks per month. So I think that's more a viable strategy for me as well, because not only it actually adds an extra payment like the 13th month, but it also gives me a sense of like I'm actually accomplishing something. I'm actually paying my student loans every week. And not only that, it also reduces the interest over time, because let's just say, not since you've actually seen what my due was every month, which was $50. If I paid just 1 week, which is $100, then that means I'm already paid for the entire month. But if I keep on adding more every week, that means that the interest that my loan is basing it off, or basically the principal amount, is actually reducing every week. So that just makes the accrued interest lower. It basically diminishes every week. So I think, to me right now, that makes a lot more sense. And yes, I'm still going to be careful with how this will work out, because the frequency that I am paying the student loans is very high as well, so it might be a little bit different than what I'm used to. So yeah, I'm actually gonna try this strategy out starting this week, since I've already made a payment this week, which is now is like 12 or 13, wherever you are. And for this week, I'm planning to actually do the payments every Sunday, so the next one would probably be in this 17th. So that's the next one I'm gonna be doing. I'm just making sure that it doesn't that I'm paid off like before 11th. But yeah, I'm just gonna keep it on Sunday and then keep on making it every week. And I'm actually not gonna make a video every week because I feel like that's too excessive. I'm just going to, basically lay it all out in just one video, just like this one, just so that you don't have to like watch a lot of videos as well. And I don't think you're gonna be enjoying that anyway. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. We pretty much talked about how I actually did my extra payment for this month, and then also kind of like my new strategy coming in this next coming weeks. I'm not sure when I'm gonna stop doing this. If I actually like the results that I see here, then I'm gonna keep on doing it. If I like the habit of actually doing this every week, then I will keep on doing it. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Now, if you actually like this video, I hope that you learned something from this video as well. Please comment any questions down below. Share this to your friend who might actually need some information, especially with the new weekly payment strategy that others can actually benefit from. Then definitely share this to them. And also, I am on Instagram at Daily Dread. You can chat me there or send me ideas if you have any things to share with me. Like I really want to get to know people and learn from them as well. And yeah, I hope you have a wonderful day, and we'll see you in the next video.